Hi guys, thank you so much for joining me today. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be tackling this messy house. As you can see, is a total disaster. There's so many dishes to wash. There's things everywhere, and this mom here gotta get it together. So I decided, because I have a lot of dishes today, I was just going to go ahead and rinse all these cups, like take all the nastiness from the inside and then soak them on water and soap. That way they can go ahead and loosen up a little to make it easier for me. And this is what I'm doing, just rinsing, dip it on the Dawn in some water and just repeating and repeating along until I get all these dishes done. So now I'm just going to go ahead and rinse all these cups, put them to air dry for a little bit, and then I'm going to go ahead and dry them, because if I don't, I have so many dishes that it's going to pile up like crazy. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and put all the plates. Some of them I forgot to rinse them out and take all the yucky stuff out. But then I realized it and I started doing it. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and soak them as well. I decided to put a little bit of Clorox just because there was a lot of grease on them. And that way it could help me loosen up all this grease and, finish quicker, I guess. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and just start drying all these cups. That way I have space to put all the plates that are waiting for me here to rinse. And then after they air dry a little bit, I'm going to do the same thing, dry them by hand and put them away. So now just to rinse these plates and, like I said, let them air dry, and then I'll dry them by hand. right, so now just to go ahead and dry all these plates and putting them away. That way I can start getting the pots and pans all clean.
It's been a roller coaster, but you stayed. And now I'm taking over for the day. Cause I can be what you wanna be. And I can feel but you love for me.
All right, so we are almost getting to the bottom of tackling all these dishes. I hope you're not getting bored and sticking by. I want to know by y'all if y'all do enjoy watching me wash dishes, or should I cut it a little bit less? I know there's people out there that has to do dishes by hand just like me, and then there's other people that just put it in the dishwasher. Now, if you do not enjoy this, let me know. I'll go ahead and, cut a lot of it. But this is the reality that was that day. I did that many dishes because I let them piled up, and it is what it is. But I am almost done, I promise. And then you'll see me clean the rest of the house.
Take me to a place I'm calling for. Open up the doors, I'm knocking on. I'm losing control. Be the one to leave my fantasy. Show you, baby, your hands all over me. No, I'll never let go. 'Cause I now but you love for me. Take me to a place I'm calling for. Open up the doors, I'm knocking.
I want to say cleaning those dishes, it took me about an hour or so. But the feeling of all being clean and just put away, it's amazing. Now, I'm going to go ahead and use pine sol. I like this pine sol that I just bought with a little bit of Clorox. I'm going to pour into this bucket. Oh, there's my husband giving me a kiss. And this is what I'm going to use to clean all the counters, all my cabinets. It just helps me to get through the whole thing, especially when it's filthy like this, my kitchen. Then this is a good thing to do. Just a little bit of Clorox, a little bit of pine sol, or whatever thing you have, Fabuloso, whatever. And just, getting that rag and cleaning everywhere.
I'm losing control.
So today my microwave was a bit dirty, so I decided to put some water with some lemon, squeeze it in, and just let the microwave do its job. And then you'll see me wipe it down later on.
Be the one to leave my fantasy. Show you crave your hands all over me.
So today my trash can was a little bit dirty, so I decided to use some Lysol disinfecting spray to get it all nice and clean.
I'll never let go. 'Cause I'm falling for love.
Now, this is something I got to do sometimes at least twice a week, because I don't know about your kids, but my kids be spilling things. And because these cabinets are white, you could tell really quickly. So I'm just giving them a quick wipe with that Clorox and pine sol mix that I have in my bucket, and it does the job. right now off to clean this area, which is my breakfast area and my living room. This water dispenser is one of the best purchases I made. I bought it from Walmart a little while ago. I want to say about 2 months or so. And I'm in love with it just because my kids are drinking more water. That's one. And for two, they don't open as much the fridge as before. So that's a win-win for me. Majority of times when I'm doing the cleaning like this, I move my couches just because I always tend to find something weird behind it, either wrapping papers, candy, or whatever. I'm not sure if that's your case in your home, but this is definitely the case in here. So now in the hallway, instead of sweeping and mopping, I'm just going to go ahead and do a sweep mop. If you don't know what that is, basically it's just taking your mop and sweeping and mopping at the same time. It works for me. If you have made it this far on this video, please go ahead and comment down below your favorite emoji. That way I know you're watching all the way through. All right, so now just to clean this area, which it has my dining table / family room. So just to be in the real side with ya, these clothes right here, I had folded them and left them here on the couch about 2 to 3 days ago with the intention of putting them away, but that never happened. So that's what I'm doing today. Now, some of them fell in the floor and now I am folding again, but it is what it is, man. I don't know. I could call this folding clothes and putting them away 5 to 7 business days later after washing, because me and washing clothes, we're okay, but putting away, we don't get along too much. So I have Junior picking up like wrappers and things like that. And the reason why is because this is him. He sits in his living room to watch TV, and instead of taking things to the trash, he just decides that the floor is a great idea for them. So all right, so now I'm just gonna show you an overview of how everything looks now. My husband is working on the washing machine, being that the motor broke, and we ordered one from Amazon, so hopefully that takes care of that situation. Now, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel and you enjoy this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I would like to have you be part of my YouTube family. And for everyone who has returned back, thank you so much for sticking by with me. We're about to hit 400 subscribers, and I wouldn't have done this without ya. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll check you out in my next video. Peace.